Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Haru and Tanu. In this video, I am going to show you 5 of my favorite indoor plants. And the first one that I am going to show you is the golden pothos or the money plant. It's a very common indoor plant used in India. Money plant is very easy to propagate. So all you need to do is take a cutting just below the node, just like this, and then you need to remove this leaf which is appearing on this node, and now it is ready for propagation. So we have removed the leaf which is just above the node, and now the plant is ready for propagation. So you can either propagate this in water or in soil, and I'm going to show you water propagation method. I've taken a long jar which I've filled with water, and now I'm going to put few pebbles. And my planter is ready. I've taken 4 cuttings of the money plant. Now I'm going to put a rubber band. Now your plant is ready, and you're inserting that in the water. Now these are plants which I've already kept in water for the past 1 or 2 months. You can see that the roots have already appeared. I'm going to insert this plant also along with the other one, new ones. You need to ensure that the roots are completely inserted in the water, or the bottom tip part is completely inserted in water. And your money plant appears so beautiful to decorate your home. Here I am showing you money plant that I have propagated in soil. Soil propagation is also easy. You just need to take the plant cutting as I've shown before, and then insert that in soil. The second plant that I'm going to show is a mother-in-law's tongue, or the snake plant. It's a very hard to kill plant and very easy to propagate. You can see that I've planted this plant in a very small container. And here is a bigger container. This is actually an ice cream container, and then I've painted this and I've planted the plant. You just need to water this plant once in 2 weeks and it's completely fine for it. I'm going to put this plant along with the planter in a bigger planter. And it's ready to decorate your home. See, I've kept the snake plant and the money plant in one corner of my house, and it looks beautiful. This is another variety of snake plant which I've kept in my car porch, and you can see the leaf with yellow variegations. This is a very old clay pot which I've used to plant my snake plant. I've put a very small hole at the bottom of the pot just to ensure that water gets drained off completely. This is a cylindrical snake plant. You can see that the leaves are cylindrical. And all these indoor plants are excellent air purifiers. Again, I've kept this in my bedroom. The third variety of plant is a syngonium, and it's very easy to propagate this plant. This is another variety of syngonium, which is a pink colored leaf syngonium. And I'll show you the propagation of syngonium, which is again very easy. Syngonium can be propagated both in soil as well as in water. I'm going to take a cutting of syngonium plant. And I'm going to dip this syngonium plant in my planter filled with water. See how beautiful it looks. You need to ensure that you change the water every 1 week for both syngonium as well as for money plant, because the oxygen content in the water gets depleted after 1 week and that hinders the plant growth. Also, if you don't change the water, it becomes a breeding ground for mosquitoes. I'm going to keep my syngonium plant along with the planter on my dining table, and it looks fantastic. Fourth plant is the Aglaonema, and this plant I've kept in the carports, and you can see that the leaves have got beautiful variegations. Aglaonema has got hard leaves and it's very hard to kill plant. You can water it maybe once in a week and it is completely fine. For the propagation, all you need to do is take a cutting of the Aglaonema plant here, and you just need to insert it in soil. And it's very expensive when you go to buy an Aglaonema plant in a nursery. That's what I have seen, especially in Bangalore. The last variety of plant that I'm going to talk about is the monkey leaf plant. It has got beautiful leaf. Once in a while you can take it out and then give it a water bath, just like this. Just like money plant, you can make a cutting here just below the node, and then you can either insert it in water or propagate it in soil as per your convenience. Now you can see the leaves of the plant. It's just got beautiful holes. I have kept this plant on top of my shoe rack. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching and bye.